Hey guys, here we are today, and this is from the Parks Department, a Valentine kit. Looks like a card.
What?
Something.
Oh, it's to make something.
To make something. Some
That's
paper.
There's some other stuff that goes with that.
Some chocolates.
Chocolates? What? All right. Ooh, what is this? Ooh.
Sort of like toys or something.
It's the Valentine Hunt. Help Cupid find his lost arrow. Follow the clues to find his arrow and snap a selfie at the final location. Clues will give you a specific area of the park to search. Post your photo on the Bluffton Parks Facebook page for a chance to win a prize. This hunt is only available on Valentine's weekend, February 12th through the 14th.
Wow.
That's going to be fun.
That's
Here,
going to
let's
be
look.
That's
this
going to be
tells
some
you
big
what to
time
do.
fun. Yeah. All right.
There's some
Cool.
candies and
What?
Oreos in there.
What does that say?
What does that say, Reese?
Do you know what this says, Reese?
No.
Kiss
me.
Kiss me.
Some stickers,
those
some
are
heart
cool.
stickers here.
What? What else is in there, Reese?
A
Oh.
I think that folds into a little box. I think.
That's
I could be
cool.
wrong.
That's fun. Are you kidding me?
free thing for a
Free dilly
A
bar.
dilly bar and a personal pan pizza?
some more of them.
Ooh.
I can finally go.
Busted Haft.
I can finally go.
Story time online. Ooh, something to scan.
I'm gonna go here with Dad.
Oh my goodness.
Someday I'm gonna watch him throw an axe. Maybe you can help him.
Okay.
Yeah.
So he gets a bullseye. And you build something here.
What? A kid's workshop? Oh, it's a goalpost. Wow.
Maybe we could work on that
Well,
either tomorrow or something.
We'll see.
Maybe.
Cool. Comes with all the stuff you need. What do you know? What do you think about all this, Reese?
Well, there's one more thing.
What?
Here.
There's more? Oh my goodness.
You know what that is? It's a coupon for a free movie.
A free movie
The
and
library.
popcorn?
So you can have a popcorn and movie night.
Are you kidding me? What do you say, Reese?
This is good. I also got for Valentine's Day.
What is this? Who got you this? Oh, a flashlight.
T-Rex flashlight.
Wow. It does all the cool stuff, doesn't it?
It beeps.
Yep. Ah. What else did you get? What is this crazy big thing here?
It is a candy-filled tackle box.
What? A hooked on you candy-filled tackle box? With all the good tackle, but in candy form? Are you kidding me?
Here, let's clear this off.
Here.
I'll get this saran wrap off,
Yeah.
and we can take a good look inside of this thing.
Maybe Mommy can help get this saran wrap off. Okay, don't open it up. Just let's look at it. Here. Be careful, okay? Not the spell. Okay, what do we got?
So we've got some, in these two things, we have some delicious looking candy frogs.
Candy frogs. Okay.
You can tease people with these things.
Probably could. Pretty good. What? Candy frogs.
There's a little like candy toad.
Yeah. That's really cool. And smell pretty good too.
Oh,
Yeah.
is that supposed to come out?
Yep.
Yeah,
it's
it's
like a
like a real
tackle.
tool
Real
box.
tackle box,
Tackle
yeah.
box, yeah.
Yep. Pretty spiffy.
And these are like some balls.
Yep. Some sinkers.
So like some sinkers that you would find
Yep, in a tackle box.
And you're smushing one of the
Oh.
gums.
Gummy
Some
what?
gum.
What type of gummies? What type of things are those, Reese?
Gummy worms.
Gummy worms. Oh, he's going straight for the bite. What do you say, Reese? Is it sour? Is it a Sour Patch? Oh, it is sour. Boy. Boy, look. Oh, there's more. What else is there? There's some fish.
No.
Some little fish.
So, that is sour. But as you would normally find in some tackle box, we have not just fish, but some Swedish fish.
Swedish fish.
I've never had, actually, I have had the red kind, but I've never had these
What?
types.
Are you kidding me?
Here's the normal kind I eat.
Yeah.
Oh, no, it isn't.
It's different, isn't it? Smells good.
And again, we have some, like,
Oh, yeah. Look at those little hard candy fish. Whoa. What does that taste like? Some scrumdiddlyumptious?
hard to break, isn't it?
Cool. Thank you.
And another patch of gummy worms. And
Yum.
another patch of these delicious little colored fish here.
Cool. Right.
Oh, one got in there.
Ready?
I will see you next time, and
Watch
you know
out,
what to do.
Smushing a fish.
Why you know what to do. Keep fishing and doing your thing. Here's Harper's real quick.
Aww.
Little princess is ever fishes.